When you log in, you'll notice that you are automatically on the Success Network page. From here, you'll see key people on campus who are directly involved with your academic career. They are typically professors, advisors, or TAs. If you click on the 3 dots next to your advisor's name, you'll be shown a small list with some different options. You can schedule an appointment with them, send them an email, give them a call, or you can view their profile. If you're using the Success Network on your phone, then the call option will put their number in your keypad and you can make the call from there. Let's go visit your advisor's profile. In this example, you can see that the advisor, Yvette, is associated with multiple services on campus. You also have the option of sending her an email, giving her a call, or scheduling an appointment. You may also notice that your connections often have their office hours posted. They might also have their About section filled in. This short profile will help you get to know them better. Now let's click back into your Success Network using the left-hand menu. You'll see your one-on-one connections up top, but let's keep scrolling down. You'll see the different support services on campus and other resources that OCC wants you to know about. If you don't see the service you're looking for, or simply want to check out other services, just click the Show Other Services button at the bottom. If you're having trouble finding something, just scroll to the top. There you'll find a search bar where you can type in what you're looking for. Let's look up tutoring for a quick example. In Lazer Success, the Learning Center will pop up and you can explore their services from there. That's how you navigate your Success Network. We hope you are more comfortable with Lazer Success, powered by Starfish.